Take that away, 'cause you make the world so beautiful, so beautiful.
A blue super moon that is not going to happen again until 2037. You might notice that there's a bunch of clouds. So, not sure if I'm going to catch it, but I'm going to do my best.
All the way, baby, get up. No, don't just stay down and lift yourself up. Baby, baby, get up. So baby, get up. Don't just stay down. No. Yeah. Baby, get up. Sometimes you gotta see it with your own eyes. Run wild, you gotta let it out those good vibes. I'm on a trip with you. Go down, salute the sun. You're the moon.
For this exceptionally rare event, I was able to get some prime real estate. While I'm paying zero taxes, I'm sure my neighbor's paying a little bit more. I was able to break out my DSLR camera and over the next 4 days take some really great pictures.
Slow down, don't move too fast.
One of the beautiful things about North Dakota is that flies are not a problem. Unless you have a problem with flies.
I got control over your time. I wanna trip with you.
Well, for those that follow my channel on a regular basis, you know that I like to capture sunrises and sunsets. The sunset's just about right over here. In fact, you can kind of see it in the clouds there, but again, clouds. And that's kind of what prompted this video. A super moon, a blue moon, a blue super moon that is not going to happen again until 2037. Comes up right about there and then runs right up along this area and gets perfect right about here for a shot tonight, which is kind of what I was hoping for, except you might notice that there's a bunch of clouds. So, not sure if I'm going to catch it, but I'm going to do my best.
I'm on a trip with you.
So I've got my campsite booked down, ready to get on the road. But I've been taking up a collection over the last 4 days. And the good thing is you'll never sleep in, because just before sunrise, any flies that might have made it inside your vehicle are going to wake you up. And so my collection. Day one, I got this one right here. Day two, and also day two. And then day 4, yesterday, I made another one. As you can see, those are basically flies that are not going to be bothering me or anyone else ever. And those would have been the flies that would have climbed all over me in my vehicle or otherwise. Guess I have some visitors at the lake. One of them's got a collar. That one over here on the right got a collar. The other 3 do not. So, I don't know. Nothing else. I hope they're friendly. See, tails wagging.
Leaving this place, the sun's about to break. You're riding shotgun. The feeling we chased, I'm wide awake. Take me away now. 'Cause I won't go down the same old path again now. No, I've been running out of air, so let me catch my breath. Feeling I've got's making me crazy. If I'm having a good time, don't you blame me. Yeah, this feeling I've got's making me crazy. Making me crazy. So I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive. I'm just gonna drive.
All the best, always.
You wanna come down to the underground old school? Here's a shovel. Can you dig it, fool? Can you dig it?